Hello, good people. This is Sherry with Sherika Originals, and today I am working with faux cowrie shells. Now, I start out with real cowrie shells, but I had to change in the middle of it. Let's get to it. All right, I have 16 gauge wire, cutting 6 inches of it, and I'm going to also use 24 gauge wire. Now, the first thing I do is to turn both of my ends under. So I'll make a spiral on each end. Now I need something round to start my shape, so I'm using a can to start my shape, and then I'll finish it with my hands. I'm hammering it to give it additional stability, although this 16 gauge wire is pretty sturdy. Now I get my 24 gauge wire, and I'm going to pull out about 24 inches. Now I'm going to hold the end of my wire, and I'm going to wrap about 8 or 9 times around before I get started with my first shell. I could not make the real cowrie shells work for me, so I'm back to my faux cowrie shells. I thread my first cowrie shell onto the wire, and I thread it through the middle twice, and I'm holding it stable until I can get enough wire on it to for it to be stable on its own. So once I thread through twice, then I wrap the wire around, and I'm pulling the wire really tightly. Once my shell is on and stable, I go on to the next one, but I wrap again 8 or 10 times to make enough room for the next shell. to end it, I just wrap wire until I get to my curl, and then I cut it and squeeze the wire down, and I'm done. If you like this video, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know what you think about this, and let me know if you're going to do it. We have a Tuesday Live subscriber chat. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.